Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh emphasized the importance of promoting Meghalaya's natural beauty and unique selling points USPS through sustainable tourism. Speaking to the media, Lyngdoh stressed that the tourism should not only drive economic growth but also preserve the state's natural heritage. He called for a balance between development and conservation, advocating for green tourism that benefits both the environment and local communities.
Primarily a concept that promotes Meghalaya's greenery, which is our USP, our nature, climate, and it also serves to emphasize the need for us to preserve our greenery while we are assailed by modernity and the changes that come with time.